Hey teachers, how's your day going? I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on the Freeze Frame HeartMath tool because I think it's really an effective tool for when you're dealing with issues. So once again, remember we get really specific at the beginning with what is the issue or the stress that is depleting our energy, and then what emotion are we feeling with whatever that issue is. Be super, super specific on this. So if the issue is a misbehaved child who did something, write it down and really get specific about the emotion you were feeling and where you were feeling it. All right, and this is then when we get into our heart-focused breathing. So go ahead, either with eyes closed or eyes open, settle into your seat and begin to lengthen your breath. You can put your hand on your chest or not, you don't have to. Slow the breathing down, keeping the inhale and the exhale relatively even. Focus that breath in your heart or chest area. Directing the breath to the heart or chest area activates the nervous system within the heart or chest area. This is our second brain, or maybe our third brain. Some people call our gut a brain also. But we do have a huge nervous system in there that is very, very sensitive to what's going on and can provide you with messages to this brain. All right, now from this place, this calmer, quieter place, activate a feeling of gratitude, appreciation, care, or compassion for something or someone in your life. It can be anything or anyone, whatever comes to you. As you begin to settle in, this is the time to ask your heart the question, the very specific question about the issue or stress you're dealing with. What would be a more efficient or effective attitude, action, or solution to the issue I'm facing? What would be a more effective or efficient action, attitude, or solution to the issue I'm facing? And then just wait. Wait for the wisdom to emerge. If it does emerge during this couple of minutes, jot it down. If it doesn't, it might emerge later. But it may just be the wisdom that I have to be patient or stop worrying about something. And then you can repeat this process, and I guarantee you're going to start getting the heart weighing in as a second opinion on a lot of these decisions being made by your head. Lastly, if you get some wisdom, commit to the new information. So I hope this helps as you are dealing with the stresses of school. This is Andrea. Hope to see you and speak to you soon. Namaste.